We've made it! Alright, we're walking to our car. Okay, so we just got to our Airbnb and it is insane. Like, you're kidding. This is our view. And this is our room. We have the master and there's a little tub out there, but I will give you a little grand tour. Perfect. Thank you. We're just gonna unpack right now. Yeah, literally insane. Go downstairs. Literally downstairs. Kitchen. And what was amazing is that we were able to get all of our groceries pre-stocked. So when we got here, we literally had everything that we needed and stocked for us. We got like milks, we got orange juice, a lot of waters, sparkling water, and then they also gave us tequila. Yeah, and then we made some guac. We got here, and there's a bathroom. This is downstairs. Literally unreal. 3 stories. And then all of the other rooms, there's 2. There's 1 king, which Taylor and Spencer are in. There's a double back there. And then if you go all the way upstairs, all right, we'll go. Here's our room. And then if you go all the way up, see upstairs. Literally insane. There's also a bathroom up here, lounge, and we have a rooftop pool. I mean, you can't make this shit up. What? Okay, this is our bag, and I'm going to unpack and organize. We have this like really nice walk-in closet, so that'll be really good to organize with. Some unreleased sought-after dresses and sets. So excited to show you guys. There's some outfits, some extra outfits. Then we have our bikinis, underwear, socks, shoes, and then hung all of this. Just taking a nap. Our bathroom is so big too, which is so nice. And so went ahead and set everything up. Of course, I have like 1,000 products compared to him. But yeah, everything is set up. So we will be ready to go. And then we have this giant shower. It's literally massive. Yeah, and then obviously there's the tub. But yeah, I think we're just gonna chill. We ordered some food. And then gonna eat and then shower, get ready, and get ready for the night. We got tacos.
There like weren't any supermarkets near where we were.
So cool, they wrap it in. What is it? Leaves?
I'm hungry.
Okay, I know I look crazy. I have my little lip stain on, but I'm doing my makeup right now. And then I am going to do my hair. And then I will put my outfit on. I'm really excited. I'm gonna wear my new sought after outfit that I sewed literally last night, but I definitely wanna make these in bulk because I feel like these are really good sets that a lot of people can wear for like celebrations, birthdays, whatever. So yeah. is so cool.
The gratitude tip.
Whoa.
Gratitude tip?
This is so cool. Georgia. Georgia. Whoa.
This feels scary.
This is really cool.
Gratitude tip is like
So cool. Alright, we are sitting by the fire in the ocean. It's so nice. And yeah, it's like 2:30. Alright, good morning. So last night was so much fun. It was such a great time. We just got back really late. And so we are now getting ready. We slept in. We were supposed to be at the beach club at 11 and it's currently 11:30. So we're currently getting ready and just gonna fix up my hair because it looks a little insane. I mean, I know it's gonna get wet, but whatever. And then we'll probably just head out. And I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Waking up to this view is insane though. Are you kidding me? I was thinking of doing this bikini. Yes.
Smell the bacon.
We got shots and drinks. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, we got food. Oh my gosh. Dig in. So hungry. Thank you, Marcus. Oh yes. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your service. Okay, we've had a great day today, and we are waiting now for our car to take us back to the Airbnb because we are going to meet up with our friends that just joined. They're at the Airbnb right now, and then we're gonna go home, get ready. We have dinner at Rosa Negra at 9. I think it's currently like 6 p.m. We had the best day ever. Look at this view.
Pretty shitty, huh?
Oh, it's so terrible, huh?
Terrible view.
We're very grateful. Best day. All right, we are heading out. Everyone looks amazing. There's Grant. We got dinner. and we came back last night and just stayed up talking and went to bed at like 3 and then our water stopped working, and so it was like a whole situation, but it's working now, and so we were able to take showers, which we really needed. And today we're just gonna chill and hang by the pool and swim and tan, and then we have Clooney at 4 p.m. at Bagatelle. That's gonna be a ton of fun, and then we'll do dinner, and then we'll see where the night takes us. But that is supposedly the plan right now. Exactly. I literally can't get enough of this view though. Like waking up to this every morning is incredible. I mean, what the heck? Just came up to the rooftop pool and had a dip, and it was amazing. It's literally the nicest vibe out here. Like all you hear is just the birds. It's so nice, and the water is all salt water, so it's really, really refreshing. Okay, I just got ready. I have a very dewy makeup look today, and then my hair is wet, but we have this outfit for the day. I have this little wrap top, the down's a little bikini, this fun skirt, and then these little sandals. We're kind of in a rush right now, so I wasn't able to like film everything, but that is the vibe, and I will take tons of videos, so it's gonna be super fun. We took a break and we're gonna go and get some tacos and some drinks, and then we'll go back. You guys, this is actually insane. We got shots.
Oh yeah.
We love. Mi amor. Take a picture. All right, we're walking back. Best dinner ever, I swear. That's probably like highlight of my entire trip.
Literally the best thing we did the entire trip, but
I'm not gonna lie, that was incredible. We literally got all of that for like 50 bucks. And then now we're going to Bagatelle where a drink is like 35. So whenever, and we can go back inside. So I swear, if you're gonna like do like any of these like certain like big clubs, you can always leave and go and get tacos and a drink and do whatever you need to do for the same price as like one drink while you're there. So tip. 7 a.m. and we couldn't go to the boat. Okay. This is so cute. Someone take a pic. Oh god. Holy shit.
come here often?
Literally insane.
You were the most clean I've ever
They have a tow rope, and you can hit a tow rope, dude. Dude, which is unreal. I lived in Colorado for 8 years.
They brought us dessert. I don't know, but
No, like what was you saying? Like my dad's
same.
Aside in the Uber for like a while.
Guys, I have a.
All right, we got back from the yacht and we are hanging out by the pool and tanning, and everyone's like napping. It was so incredible, such an incredible experience. Highly recommend.
I can actually see if you.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. So we got a private chef, and wow.
Maybe about to be a fork, dude. No. Anything else? Maybe a knife.
No way.
That's crazy. Not the AC!
We're gonna lay by the pool and just relax today because we have Rufus Soul tonight, and that is going to be a long night. Drinks. I'm gonna take a bath in our bath outside and just relax and enjoy our last day. There's so much going on tonight, so it's nice to just like lay and relax and tan. Going to dinner.
What the fuck? I've been ashes.
Sharing conversation, come on, we're gonna break. What they say that take your chance, just you might grow. What you waiting,
Acting like you can't hear me.
walking
I got
through.
nothing to lose.
Crazy.
Wait, that is Mika. I want to talk to you.
Migos, look away.
Alright, everybody get sunrise for sure.
We could have,
But it's honestly so smart that we're getting the fuck out of here.
yeah. We saw Interland. There's like 15,000 people here.
I think that's what sold it though.
We're
We
leaving
saw
at-
Inner Bloom. We saw Inner Bloom.
Wait,
and we
it's
were
like
"Ah, we're good."
6:45 now, so.
All right, you guys, we slept an hour and we're so down bad. Happy birthday to me.